Welcome to another quick and dirty review. I'm Joe.
I'm Faust.
And we're going to be talking about Annihilation. It was a movie.
It was a movie. Had Natalie Portman in it.
Oscar Isaac.
Yeah.
Poe.
Benedict Wong.
Yep.
It was nice to see him show up in something.
I mean, you got Jennifer Jason Leigh.
Yeah, Gina Rodriguez, Tessa Thompson.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I mean, overall, it was a movie that, like, it made you think.
Okay, what the hell happened in that movie?
Okay, no, okay, it's really simple. It's really simple.
No, I followed it all the way up to her husband came back and then got sick and she had to go and then they found the thing. And they set it up with some sort of Cloverfield thing with the thing.
Okay,
what happened?
It's really simple. Okay, it's really simple. An asteroid crashes into a lighthouse, and when it crashes into a lighthouse, it creates a zone.
A zone.
And that zone is growing.
Okay.
And it's alien, it seems, because no one can kind of figure out what it is.
Okay.
And so they send teams in
Yeah.
to try to figure out what's going on. And one of the teams was her husband's team.
Okay.
And nobody's come out until he came out.
Yeah.
But they don't understand why he's the only one that's been able to
I got all this stuff up until they walk in, but they walk in and immediately it's like time skip and then all of a sudden shit goes crazy nuts.
Okay, but it's really simple. You should get this. It's pretty simple.
Okay.
Okay, it's an alien of some sort of
dubstep race.
Dubstep. Wah, 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 wah. Okay, yes, it's an alien, and the whole point is that it's doing something to them. Like
things,
it's like genes. Like it's taking everything's genes
everything.
and like mixing them all. I think we need a whiteboard.
Yeah, I think we need a whiteboard too.
All right, Faust. You got to remember, in this movie, the whole idea is refraction. So there's the dome, right? That's the bubble. And then in the middle of the bubble is the lighthouse. And it's going around. So their idea is that whatever is coming in is being bounced back and forth between here. That's this piece. That's the gravitational consistent. Okay? They're saying that normal chains of hydrocarbons and how consistency of molecules works is that it's being refracted. So normal equation...
No, give me that. This shit is bananas.
Okay. Okay, no. You can't just say this shit is bananas. That's not an argument.
Yes. This shit is totally bananas.
Okay, we really need to go over this. Harrison, could you get us some coffee, man?
Hey.
Oh, fuck. You want some coffee?
Yes.
Okay. No, we need more. More coffee.
So walk me through it again. They go in.
Okay.
And
you can't disregard this equation right here because
Okay.
that's the whole point of this.
Yeah.
And then you got the gravitational coordinates. Well, no,
Yeah.
that's the consistency here.
Yeah.
And then, what the fuck is that?
I don't know. I think that's a dick butt.
But that wasn't in the movie, man.
You didn't see it?
No. Where was that?
We have to do the whole thing all over
Oh,
again.
fucking A. Okay, Faust. Let me explain it one last time. We've been here for the last 12 hours. I'm sick of coffee, and I just want you to understand something. It's a movie about an alien.
But what happened?
Ah! This has been another quick and dirty review. I'm done. Why don't you say it?
No. Thank you for joining us for Quick and Dirty Reviews. Of course, if you like what you see, hit the button, do the thing. Let us know down in the comments what you like, what you don't like, and what you want us to review. And not more of this.
How do you not get it?
See you next time.
I don't want to talk to you.
You see, actually, you gotta have an IQ of 200 to understand.
Actually,
You need to bring coffee when I ask you to bring coffee next time, okay?
he
I don't care if it was here. You bring me more coffee. That's the whole point of me asking for coffee.
Actually, the director is on record as saying that he started writing the script about half a year after reading the book and decided not to reread it. And then during the production of the movie, the other 2 books in the series came out, and he decided not to read those either.
If I could flip this table, I would.
That sounds like a wonderful way to make something. It's like drunk history.
Yeah.
I have no idea what you're talking about. I'd like to go home.
I need a pee.